Elvis a hain, right?
Elvis if he had lived.
Well, we are at a seance, so.
Right.
Historical.
Okay. All right. Okay, so question fina picture so questions about the pictures. Curry Misha question no order. I'll put questions on you. Okay. So can picture in a will Shastan Ceoil. Can picture in a will Shastan Ceoil. Yeah, picture she. I guess in picturella.
Picture
Ceacht, right. So ta Shastan Ceoil, there's a music stand. The Ceoil, a picture a she, I guess a picture a Ceacht freshen. Okay? I guess
I think so. You know what? Maybe not.
okay, well it's gone.
Back here.
Okay.
Yeah, it's
Just
front of
back
the
here in this
yeah.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, on the
I guess
side too.
and we'll okay. Ke ata ikshenam tiv ama. Right, so ke ata ikshenam tiv ama. So who is playing outside? Right, and far you can say a couple of things to that. You can say unfar lesh and madra. No unfar e picture
Cool.
ahoch. Okay, so pa unfar lesh and madra ikshenam tivama. Nu pa unfar e picture ahocht ikshenam tivama.
Why are you saying lesh instead of lay?
And far la madra would be a man with a dog, or you can say, but since it's the dog and this it's the man with the dog, and so it's, would you say the man with a dog or the
I was
man
just trying to
with
say
the
the
dog?
man, I guess I was saying, yeah, the man with the dog.
Yeah, so it's far lesh and madra.
Lesh and madra, okay. But
Yeah.
if you just want to say the man with a dog, would it be lay madra or lesh?
Yeah, far la madra.
Far la madra.
Yeah, I think usually if it's the man, then you usually know that there's a. You don't usually say the man with the dog. Yeah, I guess you could say that.
Does it
Far.
change for his dog?
Yeah, how would you say the man with his dog?
A water.
Lesh. Yeah. Lesh.
Oh, okay.
Actually, you would say Lena. Lena what? Lena Wadra. And Far Lena Wadra, the man with his dog. Okay? I guess Ke ata igshenam eran vigil.
Leo Ross.
Ke ata igshenam.
Shamra Yawerlan.
Right, and Far Salawarlan or and Far Ibikturado. Okay?
Picture though.
Alright. Okay. I guess right, or you can say right. And Far ata ikahav anlenya gharam. So the man is wearing the blue shirt.
Well, there's several of those.
Right, well, Ibikturado. Okay, right.
Yes, but not with the vigil.
Right. Okay.
Well,
Right.
there's only one with a picture.
Okay.
And he was
Right.
asking which one.
Okay.
Justifications.
All right. Okay.
Justifications.
Man with the beard.
So,
Yeah.
ke ata
That would work.
ikshenam ernbiano Maria. Maria means as if. Okay. So that's a. So the expression in Irish Maria,
Oh, yeah.
Maria, basically means as if. Okay. So when you say ke ata ikshenam ernbiano, who's playing the piano? Maria. In other words, it's not really, but you know.
So
Okay.
that's a standalone phrase now?
Yeah.
Oh.
You'll hear it in English too sometimes.
As if.
Exactly.
I hear
Yeah.
that all the time, but oh, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Can enavi ata igjain of Ceoil narira? So Ken Anaby, what animal? Tá ag Jane of Ceoil is making music in Arera.
And Madra.
And Madra, right. Karatá and Madra Jane.
Tá sé conna.
Tasha and Kana is singing, right? Okay. All right. Ken Ceoltóir na picture show. No, Ken Ceoltóir, no, which is a musician. Ceoltóir is a musician. No Bana Ceoil or band is Cayula. It's na picture show. Is Cayula is most famous.
Oh.
Oh, the Beatles.
Natural
The
Right.
Beatles. Quiroga.
Right, the Quiroga.
Are they called the Quiroga, even though they changed the way they spell?
Well, you'd probably call them the Beatles.
The Beatles.
Yeah, you can. So,
How would you say the Who?
Nakay? Nakay?
right, and K.
But you two never gets.
There's a joke that works in English, you could never do it in Irish.
Okay.
Well, you too, it's like a Russian.
So Ken Bana Ceoil is Cayula. So is most famous. So Cayula is famous. Is Cayula is most famous. Okay. Okay. I guess Ken Ceoltóir na picture show. Ken Ceoltóir is Lou. And Colleen. Right.
Picture
It's
of
Lou. Is smallest.
Oh.
Okay, and Colleen is Stoka, right? No, and cut pager, right? Okay. I guess Ken Ceoltóir is Shinna. Is Shinna.
oh,
a picture.
picture of Jake.
Right, and far the picture of J, right?
Jake.
The Shinna is oldest, okay? I guess Ken Ceoltóir is Oiga. Colleen Arish, huh? Huh?
I think Cat's got that one.
Right, and Colleen the picture of Cahir, right? Okay. Okay. Right.
Were you saying Ken Coulter?
Ken Ceoltóir, oh, Ceoltóir. Okay. Bana Ceoil is a band, a music band. Ceoltóir is a musician. Okay. Okay. So BF shall bingo again. So shall is a space of time. So we'll have a bit of bingo. Okay.
Spot of bingo.
Right.
When I sitting.
Yeah.
That's why we are interested.